जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 15th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, Atma, because of karma, getting into several bodies. But Atma does not have a permanent body. Arjuna, that is why there is no permanent enemies, permanent friends to Atma. And also, Atma does not involve in anyone's any kind of deeds. After Atma gets into body, there comes friends or enemies. So after Atma gets into body, what is happening? Because of previous karma that Atma has done through other body, those previous karmas becomes a strong impressions, and because of the effect of those impressions, now Atma feels that whichever the body Atma is in, the Atma starts feeling that I am the body. And then Atma also starts feeling that whatever the karma related to that body, Atma claims that these are my karma. And Atma starts feeling that the enemies or friends related to the body, Atma starts claiming that they are my friends, they are my relatives. Like this, because Atma getting into body and because of previous impressions, Atma's original knowledge is totally masked. Then Atma starts owning everything which is related to the body. Like that, Krishna Paramatma explaining us the real nature of Atma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Nadatte kasyachit papam nachaiva sukrutam vibhuhu ajnanena avrutam jnanam tena mukhyanti jantavaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma disclosing Srimannarayana's effulgence to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Paramatma's Swarupam, Paramatma is always at peace and Paramatma does not have any fear, and Paramatma's Swarupam is, Paramatma is an embodiment of Jnanam. Paramatma does not have any grief. Paramatma is always pure. O Narada, only Upanishads can disclose Paramatma's effulgence, and Paramatma has no karma sambandham. He is not attached to any karma, and he is entirely gloriously different from sentient and insentient entities. O Narada, though Paramatma is pervaded through all the sentient and insentient, he never gets tainted by their karmas. O Narada, such Paramatma, Srimannarayana, is only the one who can give us moksham. That is why those who are continuously, constantly meditating upon Srimannarayana, they would not hold to any other kind of means to attain moksham. They will just stick to only Srimannarayana. They will not try any kind of sadhana like gaining control over manas and gaining knowledge. All those kind of sadhanas they do not do, and they would not perform any yajnas to attain svarga and other things. They will just perform their duties as a service of Srimannarayana, and they will have unshakable faith that Srimannarayana gives them everything. That is why they also think that Saha Shreyasamapi Vibhuhu Bhagavan. Paramatma is only the one, Srimannarayana is only the one who can give moksham. Not only that, Paramatma is the one who can give the fruits related to this world, the fruits related to other worlds. Like this, the great devotees always will be connected to Sriman Narayan, and they will be constantly meditating upon Sriman Narayana. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining to Narada Maharshi about Sriman Narayana Tattvam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Amnayabhyasanani Aranyaruditam Vedavratanyanvaham Medaschedaphalani Purtavidhayaha Sarve Hutam Bhasmani Tirdhanam Avagahanani cha Gajasnanam Vinayatpada Dvandvam Bhoruha Samsmrutihi Vijayate Devassanarayanaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 15th sloka. Na datte kasyachit papam na chaiva sukrutam vibhuhu ajnanena avrutam jnanam tena mukhyanti jantavaha. Na datte kasyachit papam na chaiva sukrutam vibhuhu ajnanena avrutam jnanam tena mukhyanti jantavaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.